All right, hello there. This is Prasant, and I have a leisure time in between my class, so I thought of recording a speech on augmented reality. And this has been quite a hot topic for me for a bit now. I've had a lot of research. No, not a lot, but I've had a good amount of research, and then I wanted to share some insight about augmented reality, which could be useful for you guys. And in this speech, I'm going to give you the information. By the end of this video, you'll know what is augmented reality, how is it functioning, why is it important, and some real world application of augmented reality. And I hopefully will also give you a little demonstration of prototype that I've created. So let's get started. Okay, what is augmented reality? It's layering of digital information that could be text, image, or video, or any object in the user environment that's your surrounding in the real time. And that's a bit technical, but to break it down into the simple word, augmented reality is the augmented or the enhanced version of reality that is created by the use of technology. And there's artificial intelligence is very much behind this augmented reality. And how does it function is that it uses the device camera. All of us has got this wonderful Android smartphone, right? Or the iPhone. And if you were to use augmented reality in your phone, it uses your phone camera to show you the view of the real world that's in front of you, and it augments again the digital information, that is text or images, onto it. And that's how it works. And there's already plenty of application that uses augmented reality in them, and could be found in App Store, Play Store. And one of the reasons they use that is for fun. For example, Pokemon Go. Pokemon Go uses augmented reality in this way. When you go to a place, especially a specified location, that uses GPS service again, and the Pokemon would appear on your phone. And that's the very good use of augmented reality. And augmented reality is again the very basic and the early version of mixed reality. And what is mixed reality then? Mixed reality, if Pokemon Go were to use mixed reality over the augmented reality, then when that Pokemon appears on your phone, can actually interact with the objects of the real world. That Pokemon can actually interact with you, or go and hide behind the bushes, or go and hide behind the trees. So when the augmented world interacts with the real world of the user, then it becomes mixed reality. But coming back to augmented reality, there are a lot of use cases of augmented reality. For example, it holds a lot of importance, and like any technology, it's here to solve a problem. One of the biggest problems it solves is in e-commerce business. When you order a product from an e-commerce site, you actually base on it. You don't actually know how is it going to look, how is it going to see when it arrives. But with the help of augmented reality, user can actually visualize the product in their physical environment before making any decision. For example, you are purchase decision, right? For example, you are ordering a couch or sofa. You don't know how it's going to look like in your allocated space or in your room. And with the augmented reality, it just presents you an elegant solution. You download a mobile application, then you open up your camera to show the view of your room, then augment that product into that environment, and it just makes it so much easier for your decision making evidence. It just helps you so much in that sense. And the other could be actually I went to university marketing about this one. What if we could scan the buildings and see our classes in that building or not? Or what if we could just walk into the hall and then scan the static map that's placed in front of the just when you open the door, then normally there would be a map of the building. What if you were to scan the building, and then a fox or some avatar will appear and then guide you to the room that you want to go? It would be really cool, and there's more use cases to it. there's very huge potential of augmented reality in today's world, and not just in business but in many fields like healthcare. There are a lot of ways how people can use augmented reality in healthcare. A medical student can learn about human body or other stuff in more interactive and more comprehensive way than ever before. A surgeon would be able to see into patient without opening them up. And this also could be used in architecture and design. Architect and design would be blessed to, because can help them overcome a lot of challenges. They would be virtually be able to place them into the space and decide on the object that they want to place. It just makes the whole thing very simple. Another application would be in military. See, it's very, very crucial in military. It can be used in a battlefield communication to enhance the situation awareness. It can be really vital to military. And other than that, it can be used in service. You go to a new restaurant and then you scan the menu and food would appear on the top of the menu, and you scroll it, see the review and everything within just your phone. It's really a game changer. It can change a lot of things, and it can really be a game changer in marketing industry. So yeah, those are the things about augmented reality, and I hope you guys learn a lot of takeaways from this speech. So yeah, and it's almost time for me to leave now. I've got another class. Take care, guys.